Being a teenager is tough. I don't think anyone really prepares you for how much of a roller coaster it is, especially when it comes to how you feel about yourself. I've always known that every girl has her insecurities, but it's only now, as I'm growing up, that I'm really starting to understand what that means. I remember when I was younger, it wasn't as obvious. I just kind of existed. But now that I'm a teenager, I find myself constantly comparing my body and face to everyone else's. It's hard not to. You can't scroll through social media or watch a movie without seeing someone who seems to have everything perfect. It's hard to avoid those thoughts when they're everywhere you look. And it's not just about how I look in pictures, it's in the little moments, too. When I catch a glimpse of myself in a mirror, or when someone comments on my appearance, even if it's meant to be a compliment, I catch myself thinking, is that really what they see when they look at me? Sometimes I wish I could just be confident in my own skin, but it feels like there's always something to change. My skin, my hair, my weight, my face, it's exhausting. I know I'm not alone in this. I've talked to my friends about it, and we all share the same worries, even if they look different on each of us. Some are insecure about their curves, others about their height, their acne, or their hair. It's funny, sometimes we talk for hours, reassuring each other that we are all beautiful the way we are, but then we leave and the doubts creep back in. But I think something has changed in me lately. I've started to realize that maybe these insecurities don't need to define me. I've been reading a lot about self-acceptance, and honestly, it's been eye-opening. One thing I've learned is that perfection doesn't exist, not in the way I thought it did when I was younger. It's this idea of beauty that's been created by social media, celebrities, and magazines. But I think real beauty comes from the inside. It's about how we treat ourselves and others, how we stand up for ourselves, and how we embrace the things that make us unique. I know it's easier said than done. There are days when I still look in the mirror and wish I could change something about myself. But instead of focusing on what's wrong, I've been trying to focus on what I love about me. Maybe it's my smile, the way my eyes light up when I talk about something I'm passionate about, or the way I can make someone laugh when they need it most. These are the things that truly define who I am, not whether I have the perfect jawline or clear skin. I've also started to realize that everyone feels insecure at some point. Even the people I admire most, the ones who seem to have it all together, struggle with their own body image. It's kind of comforting, in a way, to know that no one is truly perfect, no matter how much they might seem like it from the outside. I think the key to overcoming these insecurities is finding the courage to love yourself, even on the days when it's hard. It's about learning that it's okay to not be perfect. In fact, it's better that way. It's the imperfections that make us who we are, and that's what makes us beautiful. It's also about speaking kindly to myself. I've started practicing saying things like, I am enough, or I am beautiful just the way I am. It sounds cheesy, but when I say it enough, I start to believe it, even if it's just a little bit. And that's a start. Maybe I'll never stop having those moments where I feel insecure or wish I looked a little different, but I'm learning that those moments don't have to control me. I want to feel confident in who I am, not in who the world says I should be. It's not about having the perfect body or face. It's about loving the one I have right now, flaws and all. So, to any girl out there who's reading this and feels the same way, I just want you to know you're not alone. We all have our insecurities, but we are also all worthy of love, especially from ourselves. I think that's the most important thing we can learn. And I'm starting to believe it, too.